Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to do something super practical and effective. A daily English speaking practice session designed especially for beginners. If you've been wanting to improve your spoken English but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Speaking a new language is all about practice. Practice, practice. It's like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. In this video, we'll go through common questions and answers you can use in your daily life. I'll say a sentence, and then I'll leave a pause for you to repeat it out loud. Don't be shy. The key is to actually speak. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, and let's get started. Ready? Let's begin with some basic greetings and introductions. These are the first things you'll say when you meet someone. Let's practice. I'll say it first, then you repeat. Hello, how are you? I'm doing great, thank you. What's your name? My name is ... and you can say your name here. Let's try it. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from... And you can say your country. For example, I'm from Brazil. How's your day going? It's going well. Thanks for asking. Great job. See, that wasn't so hard. Let's move on to the next section, talking about your daily routine. This is something you can practice every single day. Let's try these phrases. Repeat after me. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What do you have for breakfast? I usually have coffee and toast for breakfast. What do you do in the morning? In the morning, I get ready for work. When do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. Where do you eat lunch? I usually eat lunch at a small cafe near my office. What do you do after work? After work, I like to go to the gym. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. Fantastic. You're doing so well. Repetition is key. So feel free to pause and repeat these as many times as you need. Now, let's practice asking for things and making simple requests. This is super useful when you're out and about. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Could you tell me where the nearest station is? Sure, it's just around the corner. Can I have a glass of water? Please. Yes, I'll get that for you right away. How much does this cost? It costs $10. Can I pay by credit card? Yes. We accept credit cards. Could you repeat that? Please, I'd be happy to. Excellent. Being able to make requests politely is a huge step in becoming a confident speaker. Now, let's talk about hobbies and interests. This is a great way to make conversation and connect with people. Ready to practice? Let's go. What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I enjoy reading books. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like playing the guitar. What kind of music do you listen to? I enjoy listening to pop music. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Lion King. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places. Where would you like to travel next? I would love to visit Japan. Amazing work. Talking about your interests is a fun way to practice. Let's move on to making plans with friends. This involves asking questions about time and availability. Let's give it a try. Repeat after me. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I am. What's up? Would you like to get dinner on Saturday? That sounds great. What time? How about we meet at 7 p.m.? Perfect. Where should we meet? Let's meet at the new Italian restaurant downtown. Sounds like a plan. See you on Saturday. You're getting the hang of this. Having conversations like this will make your English sound so much more natural. Now, let's practice talking about the weather. It's a classic small talk topic everywhere in the world. Repeat after me. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. It looks like it's going to rain. Yes, don't forget your umbrella. It's really cold outside. Make sure to wear a warm jacket. What a beautiful day. Yes, let's go for a walk in the park. What's the temperature? It's about 25 degrees Celsius. Wonderful. You're really building your vocabulary. For our final section, let's practice expressing feelings and opinions. This helps you share more about yourself. Let's practice these phrases. How do you feel about it? I think it's a fantastic idea. I'm so excited for the trip. Me too. I can't wait. I'm a little nervous about the presentation. Don't worry. You'll do great. I'm really tired today. You should get some rest. I'm so happy to see you. I'm happy to see you too. In my opinion, this is the best choice. I agree with you. Incredible job today. You've just completed a full speaking practice session. Remember, the key to fluency is consistency. Try to do this practice every day. You can come back to this video whenever you want to refresh your memory. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. Keep practicing, stay positive, and you will see amazing progress. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this session helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more English learning content. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to practice. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.